Welcome to my travel vlog. Today's travels take me to the New England Motorcycle Museum in Vernon, Connecticut. The New England Motorcycle Museum is in the historic Hockanum Mill at 200 West Main Street in Rockville, Vernon, Connecticut. The museum's collection includes more than 25 motorcycle brands, with vintage and custom motorcycles, extensive motorcycle magazines, memorabilia, and artifacts connected to major events and personalities in motorcycle history. The collection includes motorcycles owned by the Kaplan family as well as bikes loaned by private collectors. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more motorcycle and drag racing history. The museum occupies the restored Hockanum Mill, a historic textile mill that dates back roughly 2 centuries. Ken Kaplan purchased the property in 2013 and undertook an extensive restoration before the museum opened to the public in 2018. If you enjoy motorcycles, you won't want to miss my upcoming videos. My travels take me to many different places where I meet many people. Maybe you have a story to tell or share. Reach out to me and let's make it happen. Thank you for watching this video.